Achieving flawless, well-groomed brows has never been easier, thanks to the magic of brow gels. Whether you're aiming for natural definition or bold, statement brows, the right brow gel can help you nail the look effortlessly. In this video, we're reviewing the top 5 best brow gels available today, each offering something unique to elevate your brow game. Let's dive into these top picks and find the one that works best for you. Kicking off our list at number 1, Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel is a staple in the beauty industry, known for its unbeatable hold and polished finish. This product is designed to set your brows in place while enhancing their natural shape. Key features: this lightweight, clear gel features a formula enriched with chamomile to condition your brows while providing a strong hold. The spoolie brush is designed to coat every hair evenly without leaving a crunchy residue, making it perfect for all-day wear. Benefits and usage: the ABH Clear Brow Gel keeps brows in place, preventing smudging or movement. It works wonderfully over pencil or powder products, locking in your makeup while maintaining a natural look. Its conditioning formula also ensures your brows feel soft and healthy. Usability: the gel is beginner-friendly and easy to use. The spoolie applicator distributes the product evenly, allowing you to shape and define your brows with precision. Its clear formula makes it versatile for all brow shades and styles. Durability: this brow gel boasts excellent staying power, keeping your brows neat and in place from morning to night. The lightweight formula ensures long-lasting hold without flaking, making it a reliable choice for everyday use. In the second spot, we have Benefit Gimme Brow Plus. Benefit's Gimme Brow Plus is a volumizing fiber gel that enhances your brows by adding color, definition, and fullness. Perfect for those who want a quick brow upgrade, this product is both effective and easy to use. Key features: the formula contains tiny microfibers that adhere to your skin and brow hairs, creating a fuller, natural look. Available in a variety of shades, the tinted gel provides both color and volume in one step. The small, tapered brush ensures precise application, even for thin or sparse brows. Benefits and usage: this brow gel is ideal for creating fuller-looking brows with minimal effort. It tints, tames, and adds dimension to your brows, making it a one-stop solution for a polished look. The buildable formula allows you to customize the intensity, from natural to bold. Usability: Gimme Brow Plus is user-friendly and perfect for on-the-go application. The small brush is great for precision, especially for those with uneven or sparse brows. Its range of shades ensures there's a match for everyone. Durability: the formula is long-wearing and water-resistant, holding your brows in place all day. It's a reliable choice for busy days, ensuring your brows remain full and defined without touch-ups. Coming in at number 3 is the Glossier Boy Brow. Glossier Boy Brow is a cult favorite brow gel that's known for its creamy texture and natural finish. It's designed to fluff, shape, and hold brows while enhancing their natural texture. Key features: the Boy Brow formula is wax-based, providing a soft and flexible hold that doesn't stiffen your brows. Available in multiple shades and a clear version, it suits a variety of preferences. The small spoolie brush ensures precise and even application. Benefits and usage: this brow gel is perfect for achieving fluffy, groomed brows with minimal effort. It adds just the right amount of pigment and structure, enhancing your brows without looking overly done. Its conditioning ingredients also keep your brows soft and healthy. Usability: Boy Brow is incredibly easy to use, making it great for beginners and pros alike. The compact applicator is ideal for taming unruly hairs and creating a polished look in seconds. Its versatile formula works well alone or over other brow products. Durability: while not as long-lasting as some other options, Boy Brow holds up well for several hours and can be reapplied easily. Its flexible hold and natural finish make it a go-to for everyday wear. Taking our 4th spot is NYX Control Freak Eyebrow Gel. The NYX Control Freak Eyebrow Gel is a budget-friendly option that delivers impressive results. This clear gel is designed to tame and set your brows for a polished, long-lasting look. Key features: the non-sticky formula provides a strong hold without making your brows feel stiff. Its clear gel works with any brow color, and the large spoolie brush ensures even application for all brow shapes and sizes. Benefits and usage: this gel is perfect for keeping your brows in place throughout the day, whether you're going for a natural or dramatic look. It works well over brow powder or pencil, locking in your style while maintaining a natural appearance. Usability: Control Freak is easy to apply and suitable for all skill levels. Its clear formula makes it a versatile addition to your makeup routine, and the large brush covers your brows quickly and effectively. Durability: the strong hold ensures your brows stay put for hours, making it a dependable choice for long days or special occasions. The formula is also flake resistant, so your brows remain neat and polished. And finally, at number 5, we have ELF Wow Brow Gel. The ELF Wow Brow Gel is an affordable yet effective option for achieving full, defined brows. Infused with fibers, this gel adds volume and texture while keeping your brows in place. Key features: the formula is enriched with tiny fibers that adhere to your brows, creating a fuller appearance. Available in several shades, the Wow Brow Gel provides a natural finish with buildable coverage. The compact brush ensures precise application for all brow types. Benefits and usage: this gel is ideal for those looking to add volume and definition to their brows without breaking the bank. It tames, tints, and adds texture in one easy step, making it a versatile product for any makeup routine. Usability: the Wow Brow Gel is simple to use, thanks to its compact applicator and buildable formula. Its tinted shades make it easy to enhance your brows while maintaining a natural look. Durability: while not the longest lasting option, this gel holds up well for several hours and can be reapplied as needed. Its fiber-enriched formula ensures your brows stay full and defined throughout the day. Well-groomed brows are truly the key to framing your face and completing any look. With these top 5 brow gels, you're equipped to find the perfect product for your needs, whether it's bold definition, natural fluff, or all-day hold. From high-end options like Anastasia, Beverly Hills and Benefit to budget-friendly picks like NYX and ELF, there's a brow gel for every style and budget. Remember, great brows can transform your look effortlessly, so give these products a try and see the difference they make. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite brow gel in the comments below.